Namun Duka, Gang TV. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to our channel. 1K subscribers, more than 4,000 views. We're so grateful. We want you guys to subscribe more and more. But basically, we're having an issue with our channel. That's why I came out to talk to you guys, because we have been having some issues with YouTube, whereby most of our videos that they are being blocked or a copyright sanction will be placed on them, whereby we can't monetize our channel. So basically, we were told to delete all the videos which have copyright, and that's like most of our videos have copyright. So basically, what we're planning on doing is we are going to continue with our Indian, because this channel was created because of the love for Indian culture and other parts. So basically, we continue with a video based in India, video about India and more about their culture. But more, it's going to come more like a reaction movie, a reaction to a movie. You can see it in the form of a movie, a comedy, or to a culture, or to a wedding. So I pray and I ask that you guys will help us. And as you can see, Allah, I'm check about the Backward films, Master Daddy, the reactions, Master Daddy. They won't become bored, they won't bore you. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Then subscribe in the Allah. The Mama Samu Muchi Ayirako. We need you guys to go to the comment section and please encourage us more, because most of us jikumariga mutuku ba aiki kuma muga jiko muna kai muna ta conversion, muna ta editing, amma duka aka ba mu copyright strike and we can't monetize our channel. But with your help we can do that. Thank you so much. Thank you, Gang TV. One love. Thank you.